Hello friends, welcome to this session. This session title is quite long, but I thought it will give you a full idea what I wanted to discuss. It's enhancing plant performance, productivity, and profitability in smart manufacturing in pharma by adopting artificial intelligence and industrial Internet of Things integration. As you know, everybody is looking out for improving the profitability, productivity, and all, and how this emerging technologies of artificial intelligence and industrial Internet of Things can contribute it. So let's look at the agenda today. It's about the introduction, real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, process optimization, quality control, supply chain management, energy optimization, regulatory compliances, and finally the conclusion. So as I mentioned in the beginning, is the introduction is enhancing plant performance is the objective of every pharma company. And artificial intelligence and IIoT integration will help in optimizing the operations, improves the equipment efficiency and uptime, boosting productivity, streamlines the manufacturing processes. Now, there is continuous flow is there, which reduces the production cycle time because there are no delays are there, and that increases profitability because it reduces the operational cost and you get a better product quality and consistency. This requires a real-time monitoring of the manufacturing processes. So IIoT really helps through the sensors capturing the process data, and artificial intelligence with its algorithm analyzes the data and helps you to take a corrective decision. So real-time data is the most important thing and is most challenging. And that data should be accurate, it should be correct, which is where IIoT plays a very important role. Early anomaly detections really helps to take a early decisions and take a proactive measures to prevent if there are any disruptions, if there are any shortages about quality, or maybe there are any rejections possibility, and then that costly failures can be measured and can be avoided. So this is what is the objective of linking up artificial intelligence and IIoT. IIoT actually captures the temperature, pressure, vibration, various parameters from the equipment, and then that utilizing the equipment data with IoT can really predict the maintenance needs, and instead of having unplanned maintenance, we will have a planned maintenance which will reduce the downtime and improve the equipment availability, equipment production quality and all, and that optimizes the production efficiency. Some of the surveys or some of the experiments which have shown that it can increase the revenue up to 25% and reduces the downtime by about 10%. The time to market also can come down basically. So there is a demand planning, and then the entire process can really get completed in a less time and all that. This also helps in process optimization. Now, as I mentioned it, this data which is getting captured by IoT sensor is a very accurate data. It's a real-time data, and then that data can really help in optimizing manufacturing processes and improve the efficiency and the product quality actually. Advanced process controls. No? Every process has got its own parameters, based on 2 year physics or chemistry or something like that. The reactions will have a temperature, pressure, output quantities, and all these various parameters are getting controlled, getting diagnosed, getting data collected at a continuous basis and all. And that helps to improve those process parameters and better optimize processes. This is also linked to quality. Artificial intelligence and machine learning models can be developed with an algorithm which will collect this data to ensure that there is a consistency into product quality. The product may have a various process parameters, those will be maintained not only for a batch into the various manufacturing stages, but all the batches at all the manufacturing stages, which is what is more important, and which is where this emerging technologies will help. So real time, these issues detection and taking a corrective action will improve the quality also, but at the same time, there will be reduction into the wastage also, and that improves the profitability. Finally, this is getting linked up to supply chain management. So AI-driven analytics into supply chain enables the faster decision making, flexible decision making, and then the proactive response to the possible or any disruption which has happened it and all that. That is what is most important. So you save the time into the manufacturing processes and that improves the plant capacity, plant utilizations and all that, right? And your product quality gives you a better customer satisfaction, which also leads to enhancing the profitability. Also. Now, every manufacturing process also uses different types of energy. It could be water, it could be electricity, it could be various utilities and all that. Artificial intelligence and IoT will also capture all this data directly from the machines or maybe uh, air conditioning, temperatures and all that. And that monitoring also will save substantial quantities of what energy used and all. And then that also will reduce the cost of energy and will lead to less manufacturing cost and better profitability. This is also gets to link up to the regulatory compliances. Artificial intelligence also helps to capture all the data desired by the regulatory requirements, and this has been documented the way is required by the regulatory authorities and all that. And that helps you in reducing the time required in the manual processes to build up and maintain those documents, while it also builds up the transparency and traceability into those documentation, which gives a better uh, facilities to the audit people, and then that becomes a very easy, and you save a lot of time and efforts into that also. So finally, coming to the conclusion, why we should really look for artificial intelligence and IoT is that it has got a various capabilities to streamline the processes by adopting into the smart manufacturing. It enhances the monitoring and control. It offers the better quality control through the digitization. It has got a consistent product standards. There is a supply chain resilience by hyper-connecting with the ecosystem, robust and responsive supply chain, and improve the plant performance, productivity, and which leads to profitability. Hope I gave you a small brief overview. If you need any more information, feel free to contact us. Our team will definitely help you in solving your problem, or if you have any suggestion, do write to us. Thank you. Bye.